Hi, Mr. P here and welcome to Mr. Pollard's English YouTube channel. Thanks for taking the time to tune in, truly appreciate it. Are you studying Purple Hibiscus by Chimamanda Ngozi Adichie? You'll know how difficult it is under exam conditions to make sure that you write, then use a plan. You know you need to write one. How many times has your English teacher told you to do this? Then, in the pressure of the exam, with the clock ticking, you panic and get writing as soon as possible, or you write one, then you don't use it. If these scenarios are relatable, then this video is for you. Watch to the end, and I hope that you will be able to do this much better in future exams. So let me show you how to write a plan using the annotations made on the extract from the novel. If you've arrived straight to this video, you might want to go back and watch my previous video on how to annotate an extract. If you've got any questions or comments, please put them below. Okay, so here we have the annotated copy of Purple Hibiscus, the extract. Scroll to the bottom, let's remind ourselves of the question. How does Adichie make this such a powerful moment in the novel? Okay, well we know the key word here is how. So we're interested in Adichie's techniques. This is always going to be the case. And we know we're looking here at powerful moment. Now, one thing that I find quite useful when looking at questions is to think about synonyms of the key word. So you're not just repeating simply the key word there. So we just need to have a think about potential synonyms of powerful. Well, one synonym would be important. Another one might be compelling. And another one might be effective. So that's what you want to do. You want to have a look at the keyword or keywords and see if you can come up with one or two synonyms for them. That's helpful for your topic sentences. So let's scroll up. What sort of patterns are we seeing here in our notes? And we're just going to plan out our paragraphs just by numbering them like this. You might look at 4, maybe 5. First one obviously is going to be your introduction. Okay, and we know the ending is important because that gives us another side of Papa's character. But one of the things that we notice when we scroll through is there's a lot to say about the verbs. As there often is in an extract from a prose text or indeed from a drama text. So verbs is always a fairly safe bet for a paragraph. There's usually plenty to say. Another technique that we can see is plenty of repetition. We've also got examples of figurative language, metaphor, simile, some alliteration. You've got contrast going on there between the powerlessness of the family members and the power that resides with Papa Eugene. So you're going to be making decisions as you go along. Well, what am I going to include? Well, I'm going to look at metaphors and similes, figurative language. I might look at adverbs and adjectives. Equally, I could have chosen to look at contrast. Obviously, you're going to choose and select what you think are the most interesting things and relevant to answering the question. And then, very important, that you have a sentence or two that will act as your conclusion. And so this now is me set up, ready to write the essay itself. If you found this video tutorial useful, then don't forget to subscribe so that you can be the first to see new content to help you ace your English. To understand how to turn your plan into an essay response, then please watch the next video in this series. As ever, if you want me to make any other videos on aspects of English, then please write suggestions in the box below. Goodbye.